Hi, I'm Mike Myers, and this is my bike check. The frame is a Miraco 5-star option. Grips would have to be the Animal Edwin De La Rosa. They're pretty nice once you wear them in. Stolen Vortex bar ends. They're pretty cool. I got Tektro piece of shit chromoly bar, brake lever. These are the stolen cell bars. They have a 8-inch rise. They're really nice. It's just a slick cable. I got the Collision V2 stem. Has hollow bolts. The Fly fork bolt, compression bolt. I had to cut it to fit it. This is a Salt front rim. I painted it so it would match most of the other stuff on my bike. It's a premium chromoly fork. It's the Odyssey Senior 2 pivotal seat. It's pretty nice. I had the railed one before I got a pivotal seat. Stolen Thermalite post, and just a Miraco seat clamp. The Stone Team cranks, just Welgo PC pedals. They were clear, but I painted them green to match everything. The DK sealed bottom bracket. Let's see, the Eastern Niner cassette back rim. Painted that green too. Keep the hubs black, make it look a little better, I think. Just a kind of tread on the back and a Snafu rim job tire on the front. I like the rim job, it's pretty nice, it's a wide tire. Alright. I have just a Tektro U-brake, mechanic half link, chain, a 22 tooth animal light sprocket, and that's about it. Just got a DK sticker right there, a Dan's Comp one on the other. I only buy stuff from Dan's Comp because everywhere else is a ripoff pretty much.